Hi, today I will show you how to easy remove and replace earpads cushion for Sennheiser HD 4.50 BTNC Bluetooth headphone. As you can see, the existing earpads are completely dead. Before you remove the old earpads cushion, buy new replacement earpads on Amazon, eBay or AliExpress. Links will be in the video description. To remove the earpads, you need to pull the earpads off the headphones housing with your index and thumb fingers. The edge of the earpad is held inside the groove of the headphone housing. It is very easy to take them off, but be warned that it is much harder to put them back on. Remove is so easy. Here's the speaker itself. When you put the new earpads on, make sure the seam is down, then stretch the edge of the earpad cushion. This will make it easier to put on the headphones. I usually start by putting the earpads on from the top. Get the top edge of the earpads inside the groove. Then use the fingers of one hand to hold the edge in the groove, so it doesn't fall out. Meanwhile, with the fingers of your other hand, pull the remaining part inside the groove. And so on, until the whole edge of the earpad is inserted. At the end, you can rotate the earpad a little, so that the edge fits better into the groove. This is how the new earpad looks. Now all you need to do is to put the second earpad on in the same way. It takes more patience the first time, but it's worth it. For a few dollars you can make your headphones like new. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to write below this video. I'll be glad to see you hit the like and subscribe buttons for other useful money-saving videos. Thank you.